With the sporting appeal of the Thruxton family of bikes and the charm and functionality of the Bonneville T120, the Triumph Speed Twin made a strong debut in 2019. The British company has a fantastic chance to launch two performance-focused modern classic motorcycles now that the Thruxton will be phased out after 2025. The 2025 Triumph Speed Twin 1200 and an upgraded RS edition are meant to fill the gap. Let's concentrate on the base model 2025 Triumph Speed Twin 1200 for the time being. It has a suggested retail price of $13,595 and a few upgrades that make it different from both its predecessor and its sportier sister with the RS badge. In order to do this, the regular Speed Twin 1200 features a revised rider triangle, a little cosmetic upgrade, updated IMU-assisted electronics, and minor chassis modifications. A little more potent is the high-power 1,200 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine. One of Triumph's hallmark engines, with a powerful exhaust sound and an enticing 270-degree crank angle, powers the Speed Twin line. Since the engine's 2016 launch, engineers have been meticulously pulling out more performance using low-inertia components to enhance its character and make various adjustments over the previous 10 years. In order to comply with €5 plus emissions regulations, the 2025 version has updated camshafts, fuel maps, and ignition timing in addition to a new exhaust catalyst. Thankfully, riders benefit from a 5 horsepower boost, which results in a stated peak power of 105 horses at 7,750 rpm and an unaltered torque of 83 ft-lbs at an approachable 4,250 rpm. Naturally, power is transferred via a 6-speed gearbox with assist and a slipper clutch. The heart is where the aesthetic changes begin. According to Triumph's designers, the aforementioned P-twin engine has the same Bonneville steel frame but some minor stylistic adjustments, such as sleeker, more angular engine casings. Other features that have been somewhat updated include a new aluminum throttle body cover, a redesigned 3.8-gallon gasoline tank with larger knee cuts and fork bends, similar to the Scrambler 1200X and 1200XE, is one of the other minor design changes. Lastly, the LED headlamp is fitted within a brushed metal bezel and has a new lighting signature. A more pleasant ride is the result of enhanced ergonomics. The rider triangle is one of the key distinctions between the incoming regular Speed Twin 1200 and the higher-spec Speed Twin 1200 RS. The ordinary model chooses a somewhat more relaxed reach to the handlebars. The grips are 0.5 inches more front and 0.7 inches higher than on the preceding Speed Twin 1200. The seat has also been updated, becoming more contoured and narrower with a slightly lower 31.7-inch height, down 0.2 inches, which should make it easier for riders to reach the deck. The RS, on the other hand, rides in a more sportier posture. A set of clip-on handlebar attachments is available to give you a cafe racing vibe if you want to ride like a Thruxton. With an upgrade, the Marzocchi suspension is back. The 43mm inverted fork up front is non-adjustable, but Triumph engineers tell us that the internals have been updated. A higher-spec unit featuring a remote reservoir with preload adjustability has taken the place of the Marzocchi double shock at the back. The basic Speed Twin 1200 model comes with brakes bearing the Triumph trademark in addition to Brembo and Nissan. The brake specification has been downgraded from Brembo M50 calipers to Triumph-branded 4-piston calipers, in contrast to the suspension modifications. They are still radially mounted, but it is unclear how well they will work and whether this is a big compromise. Metzeler tires and new 7-spoke cast aluminum wheels are standard. New 17-inch turbine-style cast aluminum wheels with Metzeler Sportec M9RR rubber help complete the cosmetic upgrade. The RS, which rides on track-ready Metzeler Racetech RR-K3 tires, differs from the standard Speed Twin model in another way. It is a capable pair of tires. New technology is made possible by a new dashboard. The LCD/TFT instrument panel seen on the Scrambler 1200X is also included on every Speed Twin 1200. Users will discover two riding modes, road and rain, when they go into that dashboard. ABS and IMU-assisted traction control are features of both modes. The electronics in the prior version were less advanced. P.